Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 29. Hope you all are fine and safe. You studied the topics which we have discussed previously in the last class. We have already started our 6th chapter. Chapter name is map reading. It is mainly related of calculating the time zones. For that we have familiarized a new software, and the name of that software is Sun Clock software. We studied how to open the Sun Clock software and different menus of that. And also we have done in the last class an activity 6.1, calculating the time zones. We have arranged the time zones in tabular form also. So today we will be discussing more about that activity 6.1. And one more activity we will be doing, activity 6.2, night and day. So for doing this all activities, what is needed? We need to open the software. So how we can open the software? Let's see. Application, education, Sun Clock software. Maximize this window. You can see in India it is day. So this is the dark portion. Here you can see the symbol of sun, and this is this day. The light, you can see the light here, and you can see the symbol of the you can see the symbol of moon here in the dark portion, and the symbol of sun here in the light portion. That means where the light you can see. So in India it is day. So here you can see the time also. The time of this video shoot is going on at 2:39. So this 2:39 in India we have daytime. So I am clicking here. We got the menu. From here I am clicking on the exclamatory mark. So now you can see different time zones. And I have already done an activity 6.1 of time zones, of writing the time zones in 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree. So did you notice difference? Already I told this 2 hour difference when we calculate that when we write the time for in 30 degree east and in 30 degree west, you can see 2 hour different time you can see. So one more difference you can notice while calculating the time. So I will be doing this activity once more. So for that what we have to do, this in the page number 73 it is written, click continuously in the toggle night and to hide day and night. Okay, so here I am making the change by clicking on the menu N. So now you can see the day and night, you can see the difference, and now you can see the whole full of light. There is no darkness in the Sun Clock software. Next is the click toggle meridian tool M to display longitudes. So here I am displaying the longitudes. This is the longitudes. Again I am clicking on M. You can see the time here in the down portion. When I click on the M once more, you can see the time change to the upper portion. And next what you can see, they told to calculate with respect to the Greenwich line. This is the 0 degree, longitude is the Greenwich line. So with respect to this Greenwich line, they told to calculate the time at 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree to west, and in the same way to the east also. So here once more I am showing. When I am clicking here on the 0 degree, you can see the solar time is 9:21. The time is 9:21, and I am moving to the west here for 30 degree. I click on 30 degree, you can see it is of 7:20. 7:20. Again I am going to 60. 60, you can see 521. Again I am going to 90. You can see 320. Again I am going to 120. Click here on the 120 longitude line. It is of 122. In the same way I am moving to the now I move to the west direction, and here I am moving to the east direction. So that means to the right side I am moving. Now I have we already saw the time for 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree to the left direction. So now I am moving to right direction with respect to 0 degree. So what is the 0 degree value? It is of 922. And I am clicking on 30 degree. You can see 1121. Again I am clicking on 60 degree. You can see 1323. Again I am clicking on 90 degree. Correct 90 degree longitude line. You must click. Okay. 90 degree you can see 1523. 120 degree 1722. So already we explained it is of 2 hour distance, 2 hour difference you can see when we compare those timings. And also one more difference you can notice. What was that? When we are moving to the right direction, you can see with respect to 0 degree time, the 0 degree is of 923. When I am moving to 30 degree to west, that means to left, what is happening? What is happening? It is of 724. That means the time is decreasing. The time is reducing. The 0 degree it is of 924 and 30 degree to left it is of 724. That means 2 hour the time is reducing. In the same way when I am clicking on the 60 degree, it is of 525. That means again 2 hour it is reducing. In the same way I am going to the right direction. What is our 0 degree time? 927. I am moving to 30 degree right. 1122. What is happening? 60 degree right. 1323. 2 hours it is increasing. The time is increasing. So that is also one of the important difference that you can notice while doing this activity. So it is of 2 hour gap, and when moving to the left direction, the time with respect to 0 degree, in 30 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree meridians, the times are reducing. And when we are moving to the right direction, what is happening? It is of increasing. So this is also one of the difference that you have to notice while calculating the time zone. So this is all about that activity 6.1. So now we are moving to the activity 6.2, night and day. So here we are calculating the time during night and day. Okay. So this is the this is the activity 6.2, night and day. So before moving to that activity, I am opening. Already our Sunlock software is opened here. Yes. Here now the solar time is showing. You can see here now the solar time is showing. As you, when I am reading the activity, as you know, the reason for the day and night is the west to east rotation of the earth. Day and night is coming, how it is coming? Due to the west to east rotation of the earth. Does the sun always rise at the same time anymore? And what about the sunset? Here we can find the sunrise and sunset. How we can, by doing this activity, we can find out the sunset and the sunrise. Okay, so here I am taking the what they have done. The first activity, the first instruction is open the Sunclock software and display the main longitudes in the time zone map. Already we have we showed already we saw the main longitudinal lines. When we click on the T, toggle topic tool T. You can see the main longitudinal lines. I have already explained 0 degree equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. I have already explained in the last class that. So we have made the change here. And the second, adjust the time in sun clock to 21 March. Adjust the time in sun clock to 21 March. So here I am adjusting the time to 21 March. So before doing the activity, let's see the sunrise and the sunset of different countries. Okay, so after that only we will be doing this activity. So this much I have done. After that I am taking in India, I am taking, you can see yellow dots here. So I am clicking on the yellow dots. So it becomes red. So we selected New Delhi here. You can see the details of that state, New Delhi, solar time. The now in New Delhi, the current time is 14:37. That means 2:37. It is of Tuesday, 28th September, and the day length also they are showing 11:53:38. Okay, so here how we can calculate the sunrise and sunset. So for getting the sunrise and sunset, I am clicking on the option C. So when I click on the option C, you can see sunrise and sunset. So in New Delhi, that means today, 28th September, sun will rise at 6:14 and sunset is going to happen at 18:08. That means 6:08, like at that time. In the same way, I am moving to another state. Here, Calcutta. In Calcutta, now the time is 2:49 and sunrise is at, in Calcutta sunrise is at 5:29 and sunset is 17:25. Okay, it is early. That means in New Delhi it is of 18:14 like that, but in Calcutta it is early. That means it is of 45 minutes, nearly 45 minutes early. And now I am beyond India. That means I am going to here. Sydney. You can see here. I click on this yellow dot. Sydney. So here you can see. In Sydney, what is the time now? 19:20. 19:20 means 7:20. And sunrise in Sydney, it is at 5:38 and sunset is at 17:53. That means 5:53. Evening 5:53. So you can see the difference. So next I am moving to, I will take one more country. That means I will take one more option here. Alma-Ata. You are not familiar with that country. I am also. So in familiar place we will take Beijing. It's of Beijing. There the time is 5:21 now. Sunrise is at 6:10 and sunset is 17:59. That means 5:59. So in this way we can find out the sunrise and sunset of each state in the whole world. Okay, so in India itself, one more state we will be familiarizing, Chennai. Madras. Here you can see the timing is 14:51 now in Madras, and sunrise was at 6 o'clock and sunset is at 17:59. That means 5:59 there will be sunset. Okay, so in this way you can see the yellow dots over here, and when we click on the yellow dots you will be getting the each details of each state, and from that we can find out the sunrise and sunset. If I want to here sunrise is given, sunset is given. If I want to know the day length. How I can calculate the day length? In the same menu, when you click on the option S, you will be getting the day length. So for Madras, the day length is 11:58. 11:58 hours the day length will be there. That means nearly 12 hours. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So this much I will be discussing in this session. Almost it is time now. So when we do that activity is so long. So when we do that activity, it will take more time. So before doing the activity, we have to keep in mind is how to know the sunrise and sunset of each country or each state. Okay. So in the next activity, we will be discussing about the sunrise and sunset, position of the sun, day length of each places by locating in the sun clock software. Okay, so the activity 6.2 only we have introduced that activity. We didn't do that activity. So before doing that activity, we already familiarized how to find out the sunrise, sunset, day length of each places in the sun clock software. When we click on the yellow dot, we will be familiarized. We will be getting the information of each places. So the solar time means, what is the solar time? The sun time. The how much that the current time of each place we can see in the solar time. And the other thing you have to keep in mind is 0 degree is the Greenwich time. So all the other timings will be calculated with respect to this Greenwich time only. In all countries, the standard time is the Greenwich time, or the this what we say prime meridian, 0 degree equator. So based on that, in all other countries the timings are calculated. Okay. So if I want to locate the sun and the moon, how which menu I have to? When I click on Y, when I click on the Y, you can see here you can see the two options of sun and moon. Okay, again I am making the difference in day and night. So for making the difference, which option? N, toggle night tool. So I am clicking on the option N. So now you can see the day and night. So clearly you can see the sun and moon. Here it is night and here it is day. So here is the sun now, and in moon is located here. So moon is going to come. Okay, that means within few hours the day will be gone and the night will come in. Okay. So what all things we have discussed today? We have observed one change in the activity 6.1 time zones. There we found one more difference. That means when we are with respect to 0 degree, when we are moving to the west, you can see the time is reducing when we compare it with the Greenwich time, and when we are moving to the east, the time gets increased. You can see 2 hour increasing with respect to the 0 degree equator. And also we started doing the activity 6.2 night and day. There we have calculated we saw in different places, we saw the sunrise and sunset and also the solar time. And one more thing we have, we saw the day length also. So regarding this, related to this, we will be doing the activity, and that activity will be discussed in the next class. So here you can see in the textbook you must study this table, then only you can locate the each menu. And also this is some of the tools that you have to keep in mind for displaying the longitude and the main latitudes. Okay. So with this much I am winding up the session. So see you in the next class. See you in the next class. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you must ask me. Those who are having computer, you must practice the activity. So thank you. Bye.